to me. You can say I'm beautiful, I don't care know what you say. I know you are into me, 'cause I can see the way you look and how you try to get my attention. Don't you know I'm over you, I'm over you, I'm over you, my Romeo. No, and I'm not your sweet little princess. Don't you know I'm over you, I'm over you, I'm over you.
I can see the pain it costs you, and I can see, girl, how it hurts you. But let me show you I can fix you. Mr. Right Girl, be a Mr. Right Girl. I understand, girl, what you've been through. That is the reason why you feel so blue. Just wanna tell you I will show you that I could be your Mr. Right. And I will show you how to love. And I can be your Mr. Right. I will show you how to love. And I can be your Mr. You've been feeling down for quite a while now, but let me bring it back, the smile, and lift you up to the sky. Let's wait till we're superstars, girl. We'll fly away up to the stars, yeah. Let me take you under my arms and I will be your Mr. Right. Girl, let me be the one to love you. Hey girl, you know that I'm the one for you. You know that I can be your Mr. Right.
Okay guys, so I'm back from Target, from my little Target haul. As you can see, I grabbed a few of the goodies that you saw in the previous video. So let me just go through everything that I got. I got these little Reese'S share miniature cups. My kids devour these things like they're water, okay? So I had to buy my own personal pack for the baby shower because I bought their own, you know, their own personal pack because if I don't separate them, they will murder them. So I got those. I got these Oreo 34 trick or treat packs. They come in like the little packs like seen on the box right here with 2 cookies in a pack, which 2 cookies is not going to do anything for my kids, but when they have the party, they can pretty much go to town as long as they don't throw up on my floor. So I got my kids love apple juice, and so I got a 6-pack of the little apple juices, and what I'm going to do with them for the baby shower, I have not yet determined, but stay tuned for the baby shower video. You guys will see that it's going to be an epic Halloween theme. So I got a 6-pack for them for that. I also got a little thing of Goldfish. I thought this would be so cute to put in the little cauldrons for the baby shower, but only one of my kids, possibly 2, eats these. So we'll see how long they last at the party. I got the mini Twix, the left and right ones. I think that is that's appropriate for Halloween because, you know, it gives that kind of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde feel with the Twix. So I picked up a pack of those, and it's the sharing size too. I also picked up some organic pretzel sticks. These pretzel sticks will be will be used to make something. I'm not sure. Again, stay tuned for the baby shower video. I also picked up some of the Reese'S bats. Now these are supposed to be in the shape of a bat, so I'm hoping that they are. They're the snack size pack, so again, I'm hoping that they are the shape of a bat because I think that'll be so cute for the Halloween themed baby shower. And again, my kids love Reese's, so I don't anticipate these lasting longer than a few days in my house. I also got them some other Reese'S. These are the Ghost Scary Reese'S, and they are supposed to be in the shape of the ghosts. Hopefully, again, they are in the shape of the ghost because, and then they're the white. They say, yeah, it says the enrobed in white cream. So ghost. So I'm hoping that that is what it turns out to be because I think that it'll look so cute on the table for the baby shower. This I got it's dark chocolate flavored melting wafers, and I got these so that I could like draw on these jumbo marshmallows. I'm going to make some sort of ghost with these jumbo marshmallows, so stay tuned for that. Lastly, I got these Trolley Sour Bright crawlers. This is going to be, it says PlayStation Eat Worms. I don't know what this is about. It says snag a PlayStation Plus trial code. Oh, okay, great. So I got these for like some creepy crawlies out of the little cauldrons that I bought. And I think this is going to be so cute and, you know, gory for Halloween. So, and my kids, they actually love like Sour Patches and stuff. So I'm sure they'll love these little worms. I think they've had these before, but just they don't eat them often. But yeah, so I got a pack of these. It's going to be cute and epic. And Kyler's never had these, I don't think. So he'll probably go to town on these. Alright guys, that's the end of my Target Halloween candy haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, don't forget to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss all the rest of the things that we have in store for Vlogtober. And don't forget, Vlogmas is coming up. I'm preparing for Vlogmas. It's going to be dope. So you want to stick around and make sure that you subscribe to this channel. so that you catch those videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time.